So apparently it's Thanksgiving coming up. Razor Griddle, this video sponsor, were like, can you do a Thanksgiving post for us? I was like, yeah, I think I can do that. I had to Google the date, 24th, I think. We don't do anything like that in New Zealand, but I'm gonna do this anyway as an extension of goodwill from New Zealand to America. So they also said that I need to do it with turkey. So I got some turkey legs, which apparently isn't the most popular part of the meat, but good, food waste is bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this turkey leg and I'm gonna debone it, and then I'm gonna stuff it with some sweet potato and oregano and some delicious stuff, and I'm gonna smoke it on the Razor Griddle. So let's just see whether I can avoid a train wreck first just by deboning it, and then we'll crack on. So I'd be very thankful if you could just bear with me on this one. So there's a little bit of bone there. So here's my turkey. I've gone and pulled out some of the extra bits of like feather stalk things in here, and it's all frayed along the edges here because I pulled out some of these sinewy, sort of like semi-bony, tendony bits. Man, it's a bit of a labour of love here. Fry down some chopped onion and garlic with oregano, then prep some red cabbage and apple with a mandolin. By now the kumara should be cooked, so you need to give it a mixing with the onion and the garlic as well as some breadcrumbs, white pepper and salt. Then just stuff it into the turkey leg and truss it up. Look at my finger there, I absolutely mutilated it on the mandolin, so it pays to be super careful. Gotta make sure you get your truss points nice and even, so you end up with a nice even cook. So the aim of the game here is really simple. We've got a colander down here with some hickory wood chips in there. I'm gonna get those smouldering and then just chuck the turkey on, so just offset. So we're gonna burn from this side and we're gonna roast from this side. Close the lid and just gonna let it do its thing. This is for the rotkol. Get a bit of olive oil, caraway seeds. So toast some caraway on the griddle in a little bit of olive oil and smash some garlic down into the griddle as well. Get that all nice and toasty to release those flavors, and then add your apple and your red cabbage. So while that's happening, the red cabbage should be getting nice and caramelized, as should the apple. And then you just add a little bit of a solution of about 1 part vinegar to about 15 parts water to get it nice and really juicy and delicious. Look at that. Isn't it just a thing of beauty? So this is how it looks. You should have a nice amber coating. And that's the smoke has done its job. And then you give it a cut open and it just came out so nicely. I was pretty shocked. Incredibly juicy, a deep flavorful meat. Then I plated it up with some blackberries and a little bit of fresh oregano. And then a drizzle of Finkelabaka smoked olive oil, just to give it an extra smoky hit. Alright, so let's give this a go. That is some smoky goodness. I completely pulled that one out of, well, you know where. The turkey's quite good, well, at least the leg of it is, so. Cool, man. Cool. Would do again, out of 10. Happy Thanksgiving.